Jabal Shams recorded the lowest temperature in the Sultanate of Oman at less than 4 degrees Celsius on Sunday. With moderate to active northern winds blowing over the mountainous and coastal areas of Dhofar Governorate, the temperatures in the wilayats and governorates of Oman have witnessed a steep fall. While Jabal Shams in Dakhiliyah Governorate recorded the lowest temperature at 3.9 degrees Celsius, Saiq recorded the second lowest at 7 degrees Celsius and Thurmait, Mazyouna and Yanqul recorded 12.3, 12.4 and 13.6 degrees Celsius, respectively.